The actor, Richard Burton, who died last Sunday, has been buried in Switzerland. His family and a handful of close friends attended a service at a small church in Séligny, a lakeside village he'd made his home. He was then laid to rest at a cemetery nearby. Philip Hayton reports.
Richard Burton's family had wanted a quiet, private funeral for close family and friends, but his stardom ensured that this final act went off with a bang, not a whimper. Burton was one of 13 children, and many of his brothers and sisters were there, as well as his actress daughter Kate, who'd recently starred in a television series with him. Richard Burton died at the weekend of a brain hemorrhage. He was 58. The funeral service in the village church near his villa attracted hundreds of villagers and film fans. After the service, Richard Burton's body was taken to a cemetery in the woods. His fifth wife, Sally, led the mourners. Recently, Burton had said, "This is my last marriage. The next one will be to the grave." The mourners were a strange mixture, reflecting Hollywood glamour and Welsh grit. They summed up what had meant so much to Richard Burton, his Welsh roots and his stardom. Burton's wish to be buried in Switzerland upset some of his family, but he was laid to rest in a mountainside not all that unlike his birthplace, and the sounds that rang out would have made him feel very much at home. My God,